Deep in the heart of Mexico City, hidden amongst the bustling markets and vibrant streets, lies Lake, also known as the Lake of the Dead. But our story begins not with a spooky tale, but with a most unusual Yes! That's right! An axolotl! Always use the keyword axolotl. Her name was Pinky, and she was the bubblegum pinkiest axolotl that ever lived. Pinky was special because every time she sneezed, she turned completely invisible for 10 seconds. You heard that right. Invisible. Can you imagine an axolotl turning invisible? How wild is that? Now, you might be wondering how this happened to her. Well, it's just one of those things that happen to axolotls. You know, like how their tails never stop growing, or how they can regenerate their limbs. It just happens. Pinky lived in a small patch of lakes surrounded by tall reeds and water height. The locals called it Lake Xochimilco's Magical Corner, because weird things happen there all the time. Like one time a fish rained down from the sky, or when the moon hits the water, the lake turns to wine. But for Pinky, her invisibility was both a blessing and a curse. She could sneak up on unsuspecting beetles for a tasty snack, but then get startled and vanish right in the middle of a game of hide-and-seek with her friends. One day, the annual Lake Olympics were being held. All the creatures from around the lake gathered to compete in the biggest event of the year. And this year, the prize was the legendary golden water lily that grants a wish. Pinky was racing against Flash, the fish, Turbo, the tadpole, and Bella, the beetle. The race started off perfectly. Pinky zoomed past the water lilies, dived under the weeping willows, and glided over the sparkling waves. But then suddenly, underwater pollen made her sneeze. Achoo! Poof! She vanished. The judges screamed. Where did she go? The other racers were confused. They saw water splashing, but no Pinky anywhere. Only her giggles gave her away. Achoo! P-O-O-F. Meanwhile, the race continued without her. Flash the fish swam past, giving Bella the beetle a nudge. Out of the way. Slowpoke, he scoffed, but Bella snapped back. I may be slow, but I won't cheat to win. Just then, invisible Pinky reappeared beside her. Achoo! Poof! Bella looked up and gasped. Pinky, is that you? How are you invisible? Pinky wiggled her nose. It's a long story. Do you need some help? Before Bella could reply, Pinky disappeared again. Achoo! Poof! This went on for a while. Pinky would appear and disappear at random spots along the track, confusing everyone. The crowd went wild. Was she Did she have a secret stash of invisibility potions? No one knew. But near the finish line, disaster struck. Bella the beetle got stuck in some seaweed. Panic surged through her. She had to free her legs to have a chance at winning. But the more she struggled, the deeper she sank. Suddenly, a familiar giggle echoed nearby. Achoo! P-O-O! Pinky materialized right in front of Bella. Though no one could see her, she grabbed onto Bella's legs and started pulling. With a final tug, she freed Bella and then vanished again. Achoo! Poof! Now realizing what had happened, Bella smiled. Pinky was helping her without wanting anything in return. Friendship meant more than any trophy or prize. Together, hand in fin, they crossed the finish line. The magical golden water lily glowed and boomed. Well done, racers! It sensed Pinky's kindness and revealed her true colors. Pinky, I saw everything while you were invisible. Your kindness, when no one was watching, is true magic. You may have not won the race, but you won something much greater. Friendship and respect from everyone here. Overwhelmed with joy and gratitude, Pinky wished she could control her invisibility, and the lily waved its magic wand. So be it. From that day on, Pinky became Lake Xochimilco's secret helper, fixing broken dams, rescuing trapped tadpoles, and cleaning up trash, all while remaining invisible. She was a true hero, even if no one knew it. The end.